1, they're elevated, so they warm up faster in the spring and drain water quicker so you can garden sooner. 2, you bring in your own soil. You don't have to worry about the native soil. 3, it's more productive. Your plants will grow faster and better, and you can plant more of them in a smaller space. 4, it also defines the space. So if you have kids and dogs around and they're running all over the place, a raised bed helps you define where the garden is and where the play areas are. 5, you're not going to have to worry about the soil compacting because the raised beds are never wider than 3 to 4 feet. So in that way, you'll never have to step on the beds. 6, you can elevate your beds. If you don't want to have to bend down so much, or you want to create a bed where you don't have problems with mice and voles and chipmunks and gophers and rabbits, use an elevated raised bed so everything is up high and they can't find it. 7, there's all kinds of materials you can use for raised beds. Metal is a cool new material because it's so beautiful and it lasts a long time. 8, you can cover them really easily, protecting them from the weather, from insects and animals. So with all of these reasons, you've got to grow a raised bed garden this year.